Hey there, and welcome to this quick and helpful guide. If you've ever been annoyed by certain words or phrases on your timeline, today I'll show you how to mute them using the X app on mobile. This feature is easy to use and you'll be surprised how effective it can be. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Support from the menu that appears. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Following that, choose Mute and Block. Once you're there, tap on Muted Words. In the next step, click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to add a new word or phrase. From here, choose where you want the word to be muted. You can mute it from your home timeline, from notifications, or only from people you don't follow. Finally, enter the word or phrase you want to mute, and then tap Save to confirm. And that's it. You've just learned how to filter your feed using muted words. If this guide helped you out, feel free to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials.